Hello and welcome back everybody to this Hulk game tutorial for ScratchJr on the iPad. In this game, the point is for Hulk to very simply smash the rocks that are in front of them. Let me take you through the code and building it. So first of all, I've adapted the, which is one of my favourites, the ScratchJr cat to look like Hulk, purple trousers and the hair and what have you. If you do want to know, do you have a tutorial on how to make that, please let me know and I'll in the comments below and I'll make one for you. And then essentially we've got another 7 characters, which are the blocks, which are the rocks. And I'll take you through those in a moment. First of all, it's easier to start with the joy palette at the moment. So when you press the orange square, it sends an orange message that moves Hulk left. And then when you go to the press the red one, it sends a red message that moves Hulk right. So if we look at what that code looks like, so fairly simply, I'll just start over here. You've got the left and right code here. Now, this part is the end screen, which we'll get to in a moment. But this part here is when Hulk touches something, it shakes. So the idea of that is make it look like he is having a little bit of a battle with the rock to break it. Now, let me show you. So this block here, which is this one, when it is touched, it sends a yellow message. This is most probably one of the most complicated games I've made. And that yellow message, first of all, makes the rock appear, then shakes it, then waits, and then pushes, moves the block as if it's been exploded. So let's show you that one. I just want to show it in real. So when I touch that block there, watch what's going to happen. And then it disappears. That yellow message goes to that block there, which is that one. That then does the same. It waits 10 seconds and then it starbursts out. Same with that one. And the same with that one. So that yellow message is sent to all the other 3 light grey rock characters. Once they're out of the way, then you get to the dark grey, which is exactly the same process. So that one there, once it's touched, it sends a green message, which triggers this code here, which then sends a green message to the second rock, and then the third one. But then on the third one, when it explodes and starbursts out, it sends a blue message, which is back here, which does the end of game sequence where Hulk grows really big and then says Hulk smash and jumps up and down angrily. So really fun little project, this one. Let me show you again a full walkthrough. So here we go. So as I move along, I touch the rock, they sort of shatter, then starburst out. I touch the rock, they all wobble and out they go. And then he grows really big and says Hulk smash and jumps up and down. If you've got any questions on this one, please leave comments in the comments below. Obviously, follow along. You can screenshot all the code to make your own. And hope you have fun with this one. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.